Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotion Crewe, today presenting this used Mercedes-Benz EQC 400 AMG Line Premium Plus. Finished in black and powered by a fully electric motor, it delivers impressive 408 PS through smooth automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and offers WLTP range of up to 253 miles. At the front, this vehicle offers multi-beam LED headlights with full-width light band, which ensures maximum visibility day or night, and 21-inch alloy wheels, which not only elevate the styling but also provide enhanced road grip. At the back, the AMG styling continues with bespoke apron featuring visible air outlets, sleek LED design, a light bar spanning the width of the car, and behind the power operated tailgate you will find versatile boot with 40-20-40 split folding seats, providing ample flexibility for luggage shopping or family adventures. Passengers are treated to heated rear seating, premium Artico upholstery, and ambient lighting, which creates a lounge-like atmosphere. The front seats are power adjustable with memory functions, heating, and Artico dashboard trim, giving a high-quality feel. The energizing package further enhances comfort. The flat-bottom AMG multifunction steering wheel in Napa leather combines comfort with practicality, featuring integrated controls for media, driver assistance, and navigation. Ahead of it sits dual 10.25-inch digital cockpit, delivering customizable displays for driving data, navigation, and entertainment. You get dual-zone climate control with acoustic glass, which ensures serene, cool cabin even in warmer weather, and the infotainment system offers DAB and Burmester surround sound for crisp and immersive audio. You also get full smartphone integration with wireless charging, MBUX navigation with augmented reality, and live traffic, which ensures seamless journeys. Comfort menu, which is part of the energizing package. EQ menu, allowing you to monitor a range, charging, and energy flow with ease. Settings to tailor displays, driver assistance, and vehicle features. Plenty of assistance settings, as well as dynamic select, allowing you to choose from different driving modes. And last but not least, feedback from the parking sensors and a 360-degree camera to simplify maneuvers. This has been a presentation of the Mercedes-Benz EQC 400 AMG Line Premium Plus. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.